Alright, what's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how you can manage access to your GitHub repositories. This is super important whether you are working alone or collaborate with a team. Knowing who can view, edit or manage your project helps keep everything organized and secure. So let's jump into it. First thing you want to do is open up your web browser and go to the GitHub, as you can see, github.com. If you are not logged in yet, just sign in with your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, you will land on your dashboard, and this is basically your control center where you can see your project activity and more. Now head to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. A drop down menu will appear. From there, click on your profile. So right here. This will take you to your profile. So like so. Here you will also can click onto the repositories. So click on that, and you will see how much repository you have. So find the repository which you want to manage access for, and click on its name. So I have just one, the test. So I will click on that one. Once you are inside the repository, look at the top menu and click Settings right here. Click on that. This is where all the important configuration happens. On the left side menu, scroll down and you can find. Okay, so in this left side menu, find the collaboration button. So this one right over here, collaborators. Click that button. You can now enter the GitHub username. So now you need to get this window opens up, which is manage access, and with this button here, add people, you can now add GitHub users or email address of the person you want to add. So make sure that they already have GitHub account or plan to create one. After entering the details, confirm the invitation with this button, add to repository. Then you can also restrict them with rules, with some access. So you can restrict them with some, for example, read-only access, write access, or full admin permissions. When you add them, if they heavily involved in the project. Once you send the invite, they will receive a notification. After they accept it, they will be able to work on the repository based on the permissions you assigned. Before we finish with this video, it's always a good idea to clearly communicate expectations, let collaborators know what they should work on and what areas they shouldn't touch. This helps avoid confusion and keeps your project clean. And that's it. That's how you manage access to your GitHub repositories. You can come back here anytime to add new collaborations or update permissions. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, drop a subscribe button for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.